Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do first is to go into our search bar. Now, in this part, we're going to search for Control Panel. After that, we're going to click on Open. Once you do that, under the View By, make sure that it is set to Category. And then in this part, once you're here, make sure that your View By is set to Category. So click on that. And then after that, we're going to click on Hardware and Sound. After that, we're going to click on Sound right here. And then in this part, this window will pop up. So what we're going to do is to look for our speaker. So you will see a bunch of speakers right here. So as you can see, I have two speakers. So all you have to do is to look for the speaker that you're currently using. So if you're using this speaker, so we're going to use this. So we're going to right click on it, and then we're going to click on Properties. In this part, we're going to click on Levels. And then in this part, you will now be able to see the volume. Now, if you see that your volume is like this, then all you have to do is to turn it on. And then if you see that it is set to 0, make sure that you set it to 100. Now, once it is done, all you have to do is to click on OK, and then click on OK again, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.